I like trains, kid. What do you like to do all day and all night?
Every day, I like to do is eat a potato chip and just attack with my diamond sword, dig with a diamond hoe or iron shovel, break the wall with a diamond axe or pickaxe. And even say I like trains when someone gets hit by a train.
Okay, who says a sentence like that?
You know what? I think this is a really good idea. I like trains.
Hey, I like trains is a really good idea.
Hey, guess what I'm going to say?
What are you going to say?
I like trains.
What? No. Someone help me, I got hit by a train.